Quality homes loaded with value and design options. That's what you get when you build a brand new Bloomfield home. Introducing Crystal Lake Estates in Red Oak, where the heart of Texas beats a little louder and life moves at just the right pace. The community is conveniently located just south of downtown Dallas near Highway 342 and 35E, with easy access to the entire Metroplex. With home sites as big as a half acre, you have plenty of room to build a home to fit your needs. That includes the Primrose 6, our model home, a 5-bedroom, 2-story design with 4.5 bathrooms. The large family room and open concept kitchen are perfect for gathering and entertaining. Now add in the upstairs game room and media room with 2 more bedrooms. You'll love the flexibility that comes with each Bloomfield design. There's so many ways to personalize the home so it flows and functions the way you want to live. Regardless of which design you choose, homes in Crystal Lakes are built with our Signature Series finishes that add upgrades like a deluxe kitchen, stone-to-mantel fireplace, and cedar garage doors. Crystal Lake Estates gives you quick access to nearby shopping and dining. And families are drawn to the area for excellent educational opportunities within the Red Oak ISD. Here you'll find a great community at a great value with an incredible quality of life.